Within Business Central, we've found that sometimes its email contact preference sending is a little bit too structured or too simple. So let's go into a customer, and in this customer, we've got Additum. And by default, the address contact on the card is what will be used for not only sending a order acknowledgement from a sales order, but also the invoice, the warehouse shipment, and statements, with exception to if you select a contact on that particular transaction. And in large-scale warehouse movements and high volume transactions, this becomes cumbersome. So we've created a REDi extension called REDi Contact. And so what is it? How does it work? Basically, if we go and have a look at the customer's contacts, we've gone and created an extension which extends the contacts. So here we could see Anthony, and we can see here that he wants to receive emails for invoices and statements. But if you look at Jared, good old myself, I want to get the order acknowledgements and the shipment advices. This is overtaken through the extension by going to Sales and Receivable Setup. And here we have three simple switches that are embedded that says send emails upon release, and it automatically sends using REDi, send email upon invoice, and that includes also invoice ship, and then use email preference for statements. So just there you've completed the 4 documents. On invoice it also sends the shipment advice. And so basically it gives you the ability for multiple contacts to get contacted. So let's have a look at the email preferences for this customer. And as you can see here, you've got myself getting orders and shipments, and you can see Anthony getting invoices and statements. And so what this means here is you could have 4 staff get the order acknowledgements and 2 staff or 3 staff get the invoices. 1 might get statements. And so you've got this ability to break up who at your customer is getting the communique. And just really simplifies the user experience, so they can have preference to say they want to get the emails. For you, it gives you the advanced experience to be able to deliver that simplicity to your customers. And that is REDi Contact.